Hey guys, I built this Chrome extension for eBay sellers like myself. And what it does is it organizes all your eBay data into an Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheet. You have your choice. You could now have it taken directly into Google Sheets into your account, or you can export it as an Excel file or a CSV file. And you can basically what you do is you connect your eBay account and it instantly export your sales, inventory, fees, and profit data into a professional spreadsheet. No manual entry, no guesswork. And this shows you a little bit of everything that it does, what the spreadsheet looks like. All the data is real time. Everything you need to track your eBay business, inventory tracker, monthly order tabs, P&L summary, fees breakdown, expense template, and it's all done with secure auth. Export in 3 simple steps. Connect your eBay store, choose your dates, and download your spreadsheets. What's inside your export? 5 professionally formatted sheets that give you a complete picture of your business. It just goes through. Now it is $10 a month. And this is what the dashboard looks like. What's included? Yeah, it's real simple. You put in your date after you connect on the store, put in your date, and then you can either export CSV, Google Sheets, or download it as Excel spreadsheet. And we do have a support page. If you have any questions, you just send us a support ticket and we'll answer it within a couple hours. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon.